Okay, so let's have a look at July for Delaney 2017. So here they've paid by check a creditor account balance of 1,800. So we've paid a creditor. So that means that 1,800 is going to reduce our creditors by. That money is going to come out of our bank account, but we received a discount of 100. So we didn't pay the full amount. The creditor gave us a discount of, so that's a discount received of €100. So we actually paid 1,700. So our bank is going to, so bank overdraft is going to increase by 1,700. Creditors are going to decrease by 1,800. And then we got a discount received of 100. So that's going to increase our profit and loss account. So in our tabular statements for July, we're going to go down to our creditors. So creditors are going to go down by 1,800. Our bank overdraft is going to go up by 1,700. And then our profit and loss account is going to increase by 100 because it's extra money. That'll be your kind of your discount received where we put in add to our operating income. So that means then that the balance then here is going to be 0. So you want to see the double entry for that, then we'll have your creditors, your bank, and your profit and loss account, or your discount. Your creditors, so remember your creditors is a liability, so to decrease the liability we put in the debit side. Our bank, so our bank here is a liability, it's an overdraft, so to increase our overdraft we put in the credit side. And then the discount received here is going to be income, so to increase in income we put it on the credit side. So we've got 1,800 on the debit side and we've got 1,800 on the credit side. So it's going to be a 0 balance in your tabular statement. And that's how you answer July.